especially native, sir.
Okay. So, what your question is the project?
Media maybe.
Media.
Media to communicate with the network.
Like social media, like Telegram.
To make some links in social media. So are you going to talk about this as well? No, not really. Okay. So there are many platforms online that you can use. I'm not really familiar with any of them, but I know that you can do a Google research and you can search for English learning communities online. So exchange, there are even some paid, but I think there are some who are free also. But you can give like cultural exchange, and you can talk with the camera, with the webcam. So I think that there are many online. Yeah. So please just do a research on Google about that. But personally, I'm not familiar with any of these communities, but I know there is because a lot of my students have told me that they're doing it. So yeah, I'm sorry I can't answer more precisely the question, but thank you for asking. Yeah.
Bahasa Indonesia, so it's kind of like language exchange.
Yeah.
Yeah. Besides, they also have these chat rooms, and it opens 24/7. Yeah. So in the chat rooms, you just can join, and if you're not ready yet to speak up on the stage, you just can listen to whatever they're saying, and then when you think that, oh, I think I'm ready to go on the stage, you just click the button, like raise your hand, and they will invite you to the stage, and you can just like talk. You can also do like a phone call, a voice call, but for the video call with the webcam, it's going to be in the H1, so it's like VIP things. But I think I just use the free version, but I think it's enough. So for me, like me myself, not a single day in my life I miss talking in English like fully. Because this is the thing. When we are, we've got colleagues that are from Indonesia who can speak English, I know. But the thing is, when we are speaking to our Indonesian colleagues, this is what happens. When we forget a word, we right away switch it to bahasa Indonesia. We do not put more effort to keep forcing our brain to speak English, But it is not necessarily you have to speak with native speakers. As you said, you can also speak with Egyptian, Jordanian, you know what I mean? So the thing is, when you're talking to someone who just speaks English, then you will force your brain, When you lose your vocabulary, you will say, I've got to find it. You've got no other way except you have to find it.
That's a very good answer. Thank you. Yeah. So this is just hello talk, right? Hello talk. So maybe is it like this? Hello talk. HelloTalk.com.
No, you can't go. Oh my God, I'm like promoting things.
Yeah. Promote it.
You can download it on your Play Store. So just open the Play Store and then download it. You can install it.
Speaker.
No, don't say anything.
Well, I'm joined with Dewi. Can I?
Yes, of course you can.
Yes. Ask me some question, please.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
summer, winter, what do we call it?
It's very easy.
What?
That season.
Okay.
What's wrong with you, Dewi? Can't you answer the question? Oh my God.
Okay. Never mind. It's a good squid. Next. Before you watch the YouTube channel, there will be some short video on YouTube. You know, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. What do we call it? Yes, in English. In English. What is this?
Introduction.
No.
And garage.
I don't like it.
Am I right?
Alright. Aduh ya.
Comprehensibility tool. Nanti ibu di sini pakai checklist sama bapak kira-kira sudah memenuhi ini apa belum. Kalau misalnya membuat skrip itu dan nanti dipresentasikan. After we have a script, add in concrete yes or no circling question. Nanti yang aslinya itu kalau dipresentasikan nanti kan kita ada circling question. Tadi ya ada circling question itu ada 3 tadi ya, yes or no question, force question, and open ended question. Itu ya. Udah begini aja pokoknya ibu sama bapak terserah mau memperkenalkan apa ke anak. 6 saja vocabnya, 6 vocabulary, tapi kita pakai kayak scripting yang tadi yang kita lihat. Ini contoh aja, nggak harus begini. Nah seperti ini, ya. Silakan ibu sama bapak boleh satu aja kertasnya. Boleh di belakangnya juga boleh scriptingnya.
We need a piece of paper.
Mau bikin skrip-skrip yang ya terserah mau bikin apa, tapi kalau nggak punya ide tadi yang Uswa kasih bikin apa namanya, sandwich boleh ya.
Bapak Ibu sambil mengerjakan kalau ada yang butuh kafein sedikit boleh ngopi gitu ya.
Iya boleh.